Hi, I'm Jake, the DIY guy. Today I'm going to walk you through the Jasco Zwave in-wall smart fan control quick start guide. In this quick start guide, we'll review the installation and the setup. But first things first, let's familiarize ourselves with the parts of the fan control. The two black terminals are your load and your line terminals. The line terminal is your hot wire. That connects your switch to the power. The load wire connects your switch to the lighting. The silver terminal is for your neutral. That's where your neutral lines will be hooked in. That's normally a bundle of white wires in the back of your switch box. And the green terminal is for your ground wire, which is commonly bare copper wire in the switch location. Now the gold terminal covered with a piece of insulation tape, that is the traveler terminal. This is where you would attach the traveler wire for use with the GE add-on switch for 3- or 4-way control of your lighting. If you're not installing the switch in a 3- or 4-way installation, be sure to leave the insulation tape on the terminal. The first step to installing your switch is to shut the power to the circuit off at the circuit box or the fuse box. Now remove the wall plate. You can remove the mounting screws. Now carefully remove the switch, making sure you don't disconnect the wires in the process. You should see 3 terminals: line, load, and ground. At this point, you should label all of those wires. Once labeled, you can carefully remove the wires from the device. If they're plugged into the back, just turn the device back and forth and they'll pop out. Now you're ready to install your new smart control. Install the bare copper wire into the green ground terminal. Install the wire marked load into the load terminal. Now install the wire marked line into the line terminal. When you install these into the back of the device, make sure you push it all the way in so the bare wire is covered. With those installed, it's time to install the neutral. Look into the back of the box for the white wires bundled together under a wire nut. Remove that wire nut. Now take a piece of wire and add that to the wire nut. With the other end of that white wire, install into the silver neutral terminal. Once all your wires are connected, make sure your device is pointed upright and push the device into the box. Be careful not to pinch or dislodge any of the wires. Use the screws provided to secure the device into the box. Now you can install your wall plate. Now we can restore the power so we can test our system. Live life smart with Z-Wave lighting controls from Jasco.